D&D CE Fire Rating Mortise Lock CEEN 12209/DIN18251 Grade 3 Certification. CE Classification 3X910G3BCOO. 50,000 text cycles on casting S304 of Deadbolt. Deadbolt can be withdrawn by cylinder or key action. Entrance or storing function. 72mm distance, 3 legs of backset for your choice. We can offer different finishes for the door lock. 13 years experience working with famous brands. Each mortise lock is produced by advanced automated production equipment. Has passed over 200,000 cycles tests. Guarantees the precision application of advanced technologies. We can provide a complete range of hardware. Also provide door opening solutions. Suitable for wooden doors, metal doors, and fire-rated doors. Can be used in education, healthcare, hospitality, government, and office facilities, etc. D&D is your one-stop partner in the door hardware industry. Contact us now.